How to deactivate Instagram account. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can deactivate your Instagram account. For that, you will have to open your Instagram application on your device. Then on this home page, click on that profile icon at the bottom left. Then click on that three horizontal lines at the top of the screen. Click on Settings and Privacy. It will open a section of settings here. Here you need to find deactivation and deletion. For the quick access, you can use the search bar and type deactivation there. Once you find the deactivation option, click on it. It will direct you to this page. Here select your Instagram account. Here deactivate account is selected by default. It says deactivating your account is temporary and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Below you will see Continue button. Click on it. Now here you will need to enter your password. Once you enter the password, click on this Continue button. Here you will have to select one of these reasons why you are deactivating your Instagram account. Scroll down and click on Continue. You can reactivate your account through Account Center by logging on it. If you want, Instagram also can automatically reactivate your account. Click on Continue. For the last time, click on Deactivate account. It will take some time and your account has been successfully deactivated. This is how you can deactivate your Instagram account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.